So our spark guard, I think it's called, up on top of our chimney, it gets clogged up. If there's anybody viewing this and say, oh, it's getting clogged up because you're right-handed or whatever it is, doesn't matter what it is, let me know, because I don't know why it keeps getting clogged up. Maybe the fire's not hot enough, I don't know. But there's a lot of soot that's building up on that metal screen right there. And so if I don't clean it out kind of regularly, I think I've had to clean it out probably 10 times this winter. If I don't clean it out regularly, it just causes too much back pressure, and then the fireplace along the chimney on the inside starts just basically leaking smoke, and it's not good. So I got annoyed trying to climb up a ladder all the way up there. It was annoying. So I made this little guy. It was super quick kind of thing that I made just out of some spare conduit I had and a little blower nozzle for my air compressor and zip ties, and then a moving strip I had and a little bit of duct tape. It is not anything fancy or special, however, it does the trick and it does it well. See, I hook up the air hose to it, and then I pull this, and it makes it blow air out. So much easier. Before I was up there, I was knocking on it, I was brushing it, I was doing all sorts of stuff to try and clean it off, and it was a pain. So, here's this. And that's it.